Jumping here and there.
Oh. Nice, stop.
Let you take picture, ma.
Here's the other one.
You see, you want to take picture, you don't want to move, like you take picture. Then you don't want to take picture, take already after you run again.
I took already.
Ah, there. You see, take
Oh.
already, move. There. This is too small. You
Fighting. Collect and cast them on. Yeah, this one a lot.
yeah, really swim like a snake, huh?
Oh, damn. You like it.
Getting ready to run already. Okay. See, coming up already.
Are they twins? Why? They're fighting.
Take video.
Lucky na reach her face. Woo.
Come, you go, I take picture for you.
Mình thích cậu nữa em người quay á.
Take from here, can see. Ah, take from here.
Hello there, fella. Where are you going? You ran away. Hey. Hey.
We were focused on the crocodile, so we didn't see the crocodile.
Come up here. Are you full? You want to rest? It's got big. Come here. Where are you? Yeah, he's hiding. Oh, where are you? Come out now. Ah, he's gone.
Hide already lah. Hide already.
Finally see you.
At least now
Why
we
you're
see
hiding
crocodile
there?
already, huh?
Why you hiding there? Come out.
You can see him well from here as well.
Oh yeah, you can see the whole head down here. Ah, that's from here.
Mm.
Yeah, there's another one lying down, the Mornington lizard lying down on the floor there. See, this is alligator, not crocodile.
Whoa, lucky one.
Ah, see? Hey, don't take video, let it fly.
You're hiding here, huh? Wait, where are you going?
Why swim so slow, huh?
They're looking for food.
Yeah, at least now you can take the whole crocodile.
He's looking for
No lah, just swim only.
looking for his brother.
Not
Ah.
looking for food, I want to rest. Looking for place, sunshine, suntan.
Yeah, you're correct there. Stop. Never move. He's hiding.
Shy, shy.